Hey guys, how's it going? So today I got a new shift knob. We're gonna get this old shift knob replaced. It's kind of like fading out, the paint and stuff is fading out, so I want to change. Let's get started. First thing I believe we're gonna have to put the car in D. So let's get the ignition started. Hold the e-brake. Hold the brake and put it all the way down to D. And then we should be able to just pull this whole thing up. It should just pop out. Yeah, there you go. So put that guy out of the way. So if we start on this side, if you kind of pull up, you should get this top part up a little bit. It should just pop off. So yeah, there's like some clips around the sides that should come off. Try not to break them because you don't want it broken, because we're gonna have to put this back in there. Should just slide out the leather part, and we have access to in here. I mean, it might be a good idea to even disconnect your battery, because we are gonna disconnect some wires and stuff. So you could go ahead and disconnect your battery. So once we get to this point, we could go ahead and you disconnected your battery. We could go ahead and unplug these guys. So we'll start with this one. Should be able to just wiggle it off. Yeah, there's no actual like little button or anything you have to push, it just pops off. Okay, so grab your small flathead screwdriver. Oops. That should just come off. There we go. We can get that out of the way. Grab the little adapter, harness adapter. Grab the knob. So let's grab the wiring harness and basically match up the color coding to the same wire that's on the car. So this one is yellow, orange, red, and brown. So it goes on this cable. So see how there's like a little plastic, like the plastic extends more this way on the top. You just want to basically slide that basically on the connector on this side. It like basically slides in there. So let's do this one. And then this other one that's like blue, purple, green, black, and gray goes onto this one. So same thing, the part where the plastic slides, goes, extends out this way, just slide it in the same way on the vehicle's connector. I think I'm just gonna put some tape around the connections too, so it's nice and secure. Just some electrical tape. Then you wanna grab this piece back, and we're gonna plug in these ones. So this one goes on the same side, goes over here. So the way you could tell you have it on the right way is there's like a little groove that's sticking out on the connection. Make sure that's on the side where there's a hole on the actual plastic part of the course connection. Same thing with the other one, there's a hole. So make sure you have that little groove that's sticking out on this side. So the one with the yellow, orange, red, and brown cable gets connected on this side, and the one with the blue, purple, green, black, and gray gets connected on this side. So now we could go ahead and grab our shift knob. We could feed the cable through. So, and then on this little corner right here, there's actually no pin, so make sure you align that to the same corner that there's no pin on the harness cable. So we can go ahead and plug that in, just like that. I'm gonna put some electrical tape around that one too, so it's nice and secure. It did come with like a little heat shrink sheet, some heat shrink sheet, so you could also use that too, but I'm just gonna put some tape and just put it over there like that. I'm actually not gonna shrink it down just in case. So now we could go ahead and I guess get the cables back tucked in. So get the plastic part of the shift knob obviously in the metal area. Make sure your cables are like not in the way of the shift mechanism. I guess try to tuck it in the sides and stuff. And then obviously you want to push this all the way down. Alright guys, once you get the whole assembly kind of prepped in there and you click this, give it a pretty nice push until I heard like a click. Once it clicked in there, you should be good. Yeah, you could go ahead and put it back in park. So that should be it. I mean, LEDs are turning on, that's on, the car is shifting, so we should be good. Alright guys, that is it. I mean, it didn't really take that long. It's pretty simple, and I mean, it looks so much more modern now. This whole area looks like brand new. There's 3 different colors you could choose from. I mean, that's your choice, whichever one you want to go with. Anyways, I hope this video helped you guys. I mean, made it a bit easier for you guys to install this. If you want to go ahead and pick one of these up, go ahead. It's pretty simple. Get it done. Looks very nice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe, like the video. See you guys.